Good evening, Mr. Mahira. Thank you very much
Good evening.
for giving us this your valuable time for this quick interview. Let me quickly explain you the scope of this event. Toyota Lanka has actually found that there is a decline in their service revenues these days, and it's mainly due to service quality. Through their research, they have found out. So we have selected few customers to get your views and ideas about the overall service quality that they provide. So let me quickly give you the questions that we have.
Okay.
I believe you're a, service customer who comes to get your vehicle service and repair, especially to Toyota Lanka. So
Yes.
when you take their service quality, how do you rate them when you compare with other providers? Why do you choose Toyota Lanka?
It's like this now, since Toyota company Japan is being represented by your company. I believe the best hand in terms of getting anything done with regard to my vehicle would be your company. That will come to my mind as a first preference. That's the primary main reason.
How well do you think Toyota service meet your expectation when you compare with other service dealers?
I believe Toyota does a great job, and basically, on average, your company has always met my expectations. I mean, to my satisfaction. On average, it has. You all have done my jobs very well.
In our records, we see that your services, general services, main repairs are done with Toyota, but normal general services, I believe you don't too often come to Toyota. Can I know a reason for that?
Yes, when it comes to small running repairs and things like that, like if I come to your company, I would like to come to your company, but sometimes it's a little bit time consuming and sometimes a little bit difficult to get appointments to my requirement if I want to get it done urgently. So for those things, I go to my other all known places. Okay. And for major repairs or where I believe my other places will not be able to help me to my expectations in respect of the expertise. For major repairs, I prefer to come to your place to get the best consultation.
Thank you. Is there any recent example that you could give where Toyota exceeded your expectations?
Yes, there was a problem with my master pump and brake master pump, and when I went to my other places, they were not quite confident on what really was the problem. So since brake is a vital thing, I came to your place and they actually identified the problem in the master pump as well as at a different place. So that expertise was very valuable to me in terms of getting the matter corrected without any deviations.
Thank you. What's the most recent example? Have they ever failed meeting your expectation through the history?
Yes, there is a little concern where like there was an issue where there was a problem with the closer to the silencer mount, and in fact I could not find it in the outside places, and only it was available in your company, and the price was little high, but I mean, since it is the quality original item that will fit my vehicle 100%, I wanted to purchase it. And my concern was that it was actually, I purchased it, and afterwards it was just a 5-minute job. But your company basically charged me for 1 labor hour, whereas my if I had taken it to my other places, even if I had bought it from outside, they would have just fixed it without charging me. So I think that is one incident that has a little concern, but generally anyway, you all did the job properly, so therefore I don't have any issue. But that's a small concern.
If you could change just one more thing about their service, what would it be?
Can you repeat the question again?
If you could just change now, if you believe that they should change in any way with their service service quality or the way of providing service, maybe communication, what would it be?
I would say like for taking example, the previous scenario that I told, for small repairs, if you all can at least where it does not take that much of time and effort, and that doesn't require too much of technicality, maybe like if you all can reduce the price in a labor hour, at least now, for example, to my knowledge, any company has labor hours, but for example, at least if a matter is taking about 5 minutes, maybe like you all can at least consider charging regular customers maybe at a half rate. So whereas that will help customers who are coming to your company, at least who have been coming there continuously, or those who are loyal. So that is one point.
That's a good point. Thank you very much for that, Mr. Maida. How would you explain overall Toyota quality, Toyota service to any of your friend or family members when you take overall service?
Yeah, definitely. I don't have any hesitation in communicating or rather recommending your company, because I mean, like myself, most people who are using Toyota vehicles know that your company is very, in the sense, quality-wise, everything is perfect. So therefore, I don't have any issue in recommending. And as I have experienced, I mean, I have a fair amount of, a good amount of confidence on the jobs that you all have done. So I don't have any issue in recommending to any friend or anybody.
Here's the most important question. How would you rate the value for money of the service or repair? Is it exceeding your expectation, meet, or
I would say on average, your company give basically not below and definitely not exceeding, but on average, it has throughout met my expectations. So on average, moderate level, not below or not exceeded, but on average, it has met my expectations.
Okay. So the last one, are there any improving ideas would you recommend to Toyota management?
Yes. Yeah. One thing I have seen is that you all have breakdown services, but if you take small repairs, if you can, there are actually two concerns, two things that if you all can do. One is like for smaller repairs, if you all can have a express service, whereas like for example, changing a brake pad, if you all can have a of course, not with regard to any other major thing with regard to the brakes, but changing a brake pad will not take more than half an hour. So if you all can have an express service where we don't have to, even if we call that on a particular day morning, if where we
Without
can
an
come and get it done.
appointment.
Yeah, without an appointment, but even with an appointment, but on this, under this express service, where you will 100% accommodate my requirement, because sometimes in the normal service, if I call, you all might say, sir, you will have to come tomorrow. So, but if you all can assure that within the day, if you get that thing done, that I would consider as the express service. And taking the same example, if you all can have a doorstep repair service, not breakdown, doorstep repair service. For example, say I noticed something, say a fan, something not working, and where generally yeah, you all can come and repair it at my doorstep if I'm also unable to bring my car or send the car to your company, even to the express service. So in a situation like that, a doorstep service for minor repairs or any repair that can be done at the doorstep would be greatly appreciated.
Thank you. That's a very valuable point given these times. Yes, because most of the people cannot travel also
Yes.
much. Maybe, yeah, that's a very vital and a valuable point. Thank you very much. So, Mr. Mahadev, I would like to thank you again for your time given to us, and your insights will be definitely helpful for Toyota when they're taking their decisions. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
okay.
Thank you.
Yes,
Good
thank
night.
you very much, and appreciate. Okay, thank you. Good night.
Thank you.